Hey guys, I'm back with another Battlebox review. This one here is Mission 25. This is the EDC gear 2.0. So once again, like always, we'll go through these. You got the basic, the advanced, the Pro Plus. Basic $24.99 is the cost. The advanced is $49.99. The Pro is $99.99 and the Pro Plus is $149.99. And so the first thing in the basic is I think it's this one, the Bastion. Bastion gear, EDC, utility, aluminum wallet. So you can put your elastic band here. You can put several cards in here. Probably I don't know, maybe half a dozen or so. And then it's got a bottle opener. It's got a nail file. It's got a Phillips screwdriver, and it's got a flat screwdriver. These right away, just looking at this, without trying it, it feels kind of, I mean, it feels solid, but it feels kind of, I wouldn't say bulky, but I don't know. Without trying it, I'm just not sure how this is going to feel, at least in a back pocket. And then I can see right away that the bottle opener works good because it's got a stop right here. But none of these other ones got a stopper on, so they just kind of go in all the way, so it can kind of fold over on you if you're using it. So I think if these all had a stop on them, to where it would actually kind of stay in place, or won't collapse in on you, I think that'd be a little bit better with design. But so I'm not quite sure on this without carrying it for a while and see how it feels. But it's definitely a good idea. So there's that, and they got a $39.99 value on that. So right there, that more than pays for your basic box. The next item is one of my favorite items ever, and I got a lot of these in my collection, which I need to do a video on one of these days, which is a Battlbox Zippo. Awesome. I love Zippos. Next item is a Swiss Tech utility key 6-in-1 tool. So this has a micro screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, a bottle opener, a serrated knife blade, a Phillips screwdriver, and a straight knife blade, all in a little compact key form. I'm definitely going to be putting this on my keychain for sure. Great item. And that has back to the Zippo had a $19.95 value. The Swiss Tech 6-in-1 has a $7.50 value. And then we got a Readyman Covert EDC belt sleeve, which is just a little, basically like a little elastic pouch. You could keep a rat's tourniquet or an Altoids tin or whatever else you want to kind of, some mag pouches or a Leatherman or whatever you kind of keep on your belt. So they got a $7 value on that, and then you get your ReadyMan basic subscription, which is free. Now on to the advanced. On the advanced you get the Smith Optics Hudson Elite sunglasses. A nice little carrying pouch, storage pouch, cleaning pouch. Black tactical, ballistic protection. Nice set of sunglasses. These actually fit really well too. At least for me they do. Great piece of gear, especially out here in Arizona where the sun is bright, the sun is hot. Definitely be using those. So they got an $80 value on the Smiths. The basic total value was, so just these 4 items here, was $84.44. Now this is in the advance. So the Smith sunglasses, they got an $80 value. And then we had a Battlbox Larkin tactical pen. So this has got a glass breaker. Nice solid pocket clip. And got the Battlbox logo on the end cap. Nice, I'll be carrying this. That's sweet. We got a $29.99 value on that. Pretty little tactical pen. So that concludes the advanced, and that's has a $194.93 value for a $50 cost. That's almost 4 times the value. So in the Pro, we have a Olight M1X Striker 1000 lumen flashlight with an 18650 battery, 1000 lumens, total of 60 days, throws 190 meters. Mode 1 is Mode 1 is 1000 lumens at 5 minutes. Mode 2, 350 lumens, 3 hours. Mode 3 is 60 lumens at 18 hours. Mode 4, 10 lumens, 110 hours. And the Mode 5 is a half a lumen at 60 days. And it's IPX8 waterproof, so 2 meters. Lights are some fantastic flashlights. So they got a $70.95 value on that, and then you get the ReadyMan premium subscription. Oh, I forgot one here. You get the ReadyMan premium subscription for free, and then they got threw in a 18650 dual battery charger, and that has a $3.99 value. So your Pro box value is $279.37. And now for the Pro Plus. And the Pro Plus You get a Bastion Gear Barraza EDC folder. Nice case, box. This features D2 tool steel and titanium coated handle. It's got flipper. It's got just a little bit of jimping up here. Very nice blade. Very nice. Very smooth. It's got a little bit of weight to it. I mean, it's not heavy, but it's definitely got a little heft to it. Nice. Nice blade. They got $129.99 value on that, which brings the total value of the Pro Boss, everything here, comes to $409.36. And this one's box is awesome. Great value. Great products. I mean, everything I see, you know, I'm definitely going to put to use. The wallet, I'm definitely going to have to give that a try because it's just something different. I've always been used to a leather billfold, so we'll have to try that out and see how that kind of feels in the pocket. And you got a 10% code for OLI, get 20% off. BastionGear.com. And then I got a card in here, just some Zippo product information. And then you always get your Tinder. So awesome box this month. This is the Mission 25 EDC Gear 2.0. And that's it, guys. If you like this, hit that thumbs up. Please share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next Battlbox review. Thanks, guys.